Notes.
Notes stuck
Paper
against the
notes.
wall.
So what do some of these mean, Ben?
Well, one says, don't cry after eating it, it's so delicious. Famous restaurants, they do these kind of things. They
I
say,
guess this is a testimonial, right?
you could say that. So let's see the menu.
Thank you, Ben.
Barnacle rice.
Okay.
So barnacle with rice. You can bring barnacle with noodles.
Yeah. I prefer the noodles, I think.
You prefer the
What do you
noodles?
guys prefer?
We try the meat then. Seafood with meat, bulgogi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
이모, 혹시 여기 그 울릉도 술 같은 건 없으시죠? 울릉도 술 같은 게 있을까요? 호박 막걸리요? Would you try pumpkin 막걸리?
What is it?
Korean alcohol. It's not too strong. It's strong as beer almost. We try it.
Yeah, let's try.
I can't because I have to drive.
Yeah.
한 개로 할게요.
맛있게 드릴게요.
Thank you. So they make this here, restaurant. That's cool.
The alcohol. In Korea, almost every city has its own brand, I would say.
Okay.
For example, if you go to Jeju, there is an alcohol, a soju called Hallasan, the biggest mountain in Jeju Island.
Okay. So have alcohol named after it.
Exactly.
I see. Cool.
Okay.
Looks great.
Smells great too.
아, 맛있겠다.
그리고 명이나물
아하. I think I should have gave you a little bit to taste first, but now that's
okay, go for it.
Too late.
울릉도 호박이 육지 호박보다 좀 당도가 높다. 아, 단맛이 많이 난다 그러더라고요.
Here you go.
Thank you. Shall we cheers?
Yes. Cheers.
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 To 울릉도.
To 울릉도. It's a bit like red wine, taste-wise. It's a bit like red wine, but with sparkling, like fizziness.
It's like a light red wine, actually.
Right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
And I love the feels like I'm a dog.
아, 저 그릇에 먹으니까.
So let's try the main dish, guys.
Yes.
Oops.
By the way, I did a mistake because usually in Korean culture, who is the most adult, I mean, who is the most mature,
제대로 배웠네요, 베네딕트.
제가 좀 꼰대. Who is the most adult, I mean, who is the most mature. Takes first.
Really? That's how Chris.
Who is the most mature. Takes first.
Really? That's how Chris.
That's Chris.
That happened already. It is very good. It's great, huh?
Whatever works.
See what works for you.
The important thing is that we dish delicious food. That's it. Who?
I put it here.
Very good, huh?
This one's great.
It's very good. Ben.
근데 지난주부터 느낀 건데 친구들이 매운 걸 곧잘 먹네요.
저도 좀 놀랐어요, 그 부분.
Sta working. Yes, det är så svårt att gå.
This, she said, you can eat it with rice.
Okay.
So for example, you can like this. You can do like this. Look, it's a bit hard technique. You do like this.
아 저거 너무 하드 테크닉이다 와. 와.
최고 레벨이지 최고 레벨. 아.
Ah, cool.
Almost like sushi. Like
Wow.
almost like sushi. Like
Wow.
like sushi.
Cool.
I don't think I'm gonna manage that. No.
I'll try it.
Seaweed soup, I would say. Soup.
Okay.
It's very good. The taste of the sea, like really good.
Who would
Not
have,
bad, huh?
who would have imagined my tree
잘했어 잘했어 잘했어.
성공적이에요,
오 잘했어
성공적이에요.
잘했어.
would be here with me eating in Ul릉도, eating Korean, actual Korean food.
어.
Food.
It's really good.
This was for two people.
This is really good. I really love this.
It's quite sticky rice, this.
This is, yes. It's different from the rice in Malta.
Yes, that's what I'm noticing.
The rice in Malta is longer and this is sticky. It's more separated in Malta.
I mean, you find different types of rice, to be fair.
근데 몰타에서도 쌀을 많이 먹나 봐요.
네, 저희가 베이크드 라이스라고 그 치즈 볶음밥이랑 좀 비슷하다고 할 수 있을 것 같아요. 예, 그래서 한국 밥알이랑은 좀 다르긴 한데 근데 예, 밥 먹긴 해요. 예.
소위 이제 바람쌀인가 보다 바람쌀. 이게
그런가 봐, 날리는 거.
날리는 밥.
You can try other things also.
I would say.
Okay.
It's very good. The taste of the sea, like it's as if you're drinking seawater, but like it's really good.
바닷물 마시는 것 같은데.
맞아.
진짜 맛있나 봐.
정확한 표현이네.
너무 맛있어.
It's really good.
There's also this is very good.
It's true, you can taste the sea within this.
You are hungry, bro.
Oh, try this now.
Always
반이라도 왔는데.
많이 배고팠네.
맛있게 먹네.
Way off. Way off.
We have more stuff coming, right?
2 more dishes.
For me, it's special that you're here, and I wanted to take this one as special.
되게 미니어처 전복 같다.
오.
네, 맞아. Similar to this.
Thank you. So this is the barnacle, right?
Yes.
The barnacle. Very good. You can definitely taste the sea.
Yeah. It's really good. One of the things that they do is that before they start a meal, they have this saying, which basically translates to 8 out of 10. Places where it's common for people to live over 100 years. And this guy went around these places and he was studying why they're able to live over 100. And one of them was actually Some, I think it was an Asian place, or like a little village in Asia.
You brought that? So basically bibimbap, we can add 1 spoon of this. This is kim, and this is dried seaweed. It's really good. In Korea, we call it kimbap.
Okay.
So we can eat it with this, also this, we can eat it with the rice.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Recommended nagbopse.
It's good with either this or the kim.
They go really well.
As well as sea urchin.
Yeah, that's what
Do they eat them in Korea?
Have you tried it with the gim?
Yes, that's the first thing I tried. Delicious, huh? Delicious. The kim is really has a really good texture, like crunchy.
Yes.
Can I have a piece?
Try it. You can take it with
I'm
your
just gonna
hand.
have it by itself.
By itself?
I do recommend some rice.
Me too. He's a savage.
Really good.
He's a savage.
Really good.
아, 그 저 조미김만 그냥 먹는 것도 너무 맛있어.
That was illegal in Malta to get them, no?
Now excuse me if I sound rude, but I love the way that you move, and I see
The barnacle, it's more delicious than I imagined.
When I was younger,
that I can disguise all these crazy thoughts in my mind now.
I've tried Korean food from Malta.
Yeah.
It's not the same. I think you can notice that it's not
Yeah,
the same.
yeah. This is taste.
This is
authentic.
the real Korean
Real deal.
Korean food.
I mean, to be fair, this is even more authentic because of the fact that it's from Ul릉도. We're here.
What was the biggest thing you wanted to try when you came to Korea?
Live octopus, which we tried yesterday, and the dog shrimp. I really want to try as well.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the Dr. Shrimp mainly.
Looks huge from what I saw in the picture.
Stuff like this.
I want to try the octopus, sannakji, sannakji. I'd love to try shellfish personally.
And the dog shrimp. I really want to try as well.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the Dr. Shrimp mainly.
We're making history.
It resembles the duck, so
These are quite different.
let's do cheers again. This time for Dokto.
Cheers, boys. How do you say cheers in Korean?
Kombe.
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 Yeah.
There's the crushed ice dessert. What's it called? With the pea?
Pat bingsu. Pat is the what do you call it? The bean.
Bingsu.
Bingsu.
Yeah.
Would you like to try
Have
it?
it here?
Of
course.
There,
Of course. Let's try it. Yes.
I see. Let me tell you what. Let's go out first, and then we go find it.
Ben, we need to leave them a note ourselves. We need to write.
Yes, we want to.
Let me ask. 혹시 포스트잇 있어요? 이거 붙이는 거? 저희도 한마디 쓰고 가고 싶은데. Let's write dinner. 네. 감사합니다.
Thank you. It's getting better. Thank you. You give them with two hands.
Respect.
Yeah, that's nice. I read about it.
진짜 공부 많이 하고 왔네, 아드리안.
그러니까.
I'm gonna put mine here.
what did you write?
Me too.
I said you too. Very good.
Shall we
Very
check?
good.